Hey, what's up, guys? This is your new YouTuber, Weird Pie Face, and please give me a warm welcome to YouTube by hitting the like and subscribe button. Guys, please don't forget to do that after this video. Now today, we are playing Don't Press the Button, as you can see down below. Now let's see what happens when we play this. This game is popular, so let's see what's gonna happen. Let's do this! Oh, drat, I'm too late. They got a hot dog. Nice. I was hungry anyways. Let's collect these coins. A lot of people still up there. Oh, that person fell into the abyss. Wait, who pressed the button? Hold on. Let me press the button. Hey.
I like singing.
What happened?
I like
Nothing
dancing.
happened.
I like trains.
Nothing at all. Oh, the bus! No, that's a train. My mistake. Well, that came out of nowhere. A diamond is in clay collected before anyone else does. Got it. I would rather do that. No, someone's in the lead. Oh boy, he just went through the cracks. No, you can't do that. There's a dead end everywhere I go. No. They're gonna get to the diamond before I do. What, but how? Oh, look, there's a little crevice there. No, we obviously found it before we... Wait, there's no... How did he... Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna grab this diamond. It's better than nothing. Ducks are falling from the sky! Okay, guys, while I'm trying to catch these ducks... You may have remembered me from a certain natural disaster survival game with Weird Cheesecake. And yes, if you're wondering, I did. Well, this girl just keeps taking my. I did play it with him. That's me right here on the YouTube video. Yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe to his channel too whenever he makes some videos. I can so much of get one right now. Got the duck. No! Oh, come on, no. You keep stealing my dog. Oh, no, I got that one. No. Curse you. No. Tell me that's not the girl. It is the girl that kept stealing my... Oh, she pressed the button. Spiky walls! No. Wait, we can't wait. Is there something behind me? Yes, there it is. Look, we are obviously doomed right now. You're alive? But how? Oh, I lay over through the corners or something. That's lucky. Oh, so satisfying in real life. Not only to be occasionally true. Okay, guys. Subscribe right this second. Well, maybe after the video, you might want to be entertained first. Before you make a decision, I'm saying. Huh? Get ready to color. Oh, I'm on the red team, okay. Are there more people on the blue team? No, there's someone on the red team. Oh, the child. Go. Color. Hey, no, you're not ruining my hard work like you did last time. That sucks. Keep going. Oh, we gotta win this. Come on, Red. Did we win? No! We lost! Press the button. Okay, I think I pressed it. Speedrun. Alright. This may be an obby. I'm not sure if I'm that good at obbies. Well, I'm actually doing pretty good so far. Okay, guys. I'm actually doing pretty good right now. I'm I'm zooming. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Yes. Okay, yeah. I made it. I'm gonna try to go for 2. Oh, can I make it? Can I make 2? Alright, leave a like and subscribe for good luck. Can I make 2? Oh, I barely missed. I barely got that one. Oh boy. You probably wonder why I call my channel Weird Pie Face. Well, remember how when I was mentioning weird cheesecake back there, I actually just wanted to do something a little nice. So basically, I'm trying to come with him, to be honest. But I got 2. Let's go. We did it. I'm gonna get that diamond. Yeah, I got the diamond. I'm gonna press the button. Wait, where'd everybody go? On the correct pad? Maybe it's this one? No, I blew up. I guess it wasn't that one. Hey, did you see my t-shirt while we were playing this? Yeah, it looks awesome. No, don't go in the cauldron. I wonder what would happen. Oh, they're becoming skinny. I didn't want to do this, but I have to. Oh, I got super thick. I'm fat now. Oh my gosh, I'm so fat. Wait, what? Speed run. But I'm too fat to do that. I'm so wide right now. I can't believe I'm working out. Alright guys, I may do one more after this. But before I do one more, I gotta make sure I'm not fat. Because this just looks ridiculous. Now I'm gonna go off it and die. There we go, I lost my hair up there. Let's see what that is. Alright, much better. I obviously cannot make it now because there's no time. But hey, at least I can make it all the money down. Let's see what I can do in the show. Well, do they have pie here? No, that's a whoopee. They got cake, that's all they got. Oh boy. Yeah, they got the correct answer because I was in the shop. I literally got them because I was like in the shop right now. Okay guys, one more. Alright, let's take a picture. Guys, leave a like and subscribe. Hope you like this picture. Take them picture right now. Nobody be in front of me while they take this picture. Yeah, look at me in that picture. Alright, guys, leave a like and subscribe. And so long. I'm gonna leave the server. Goodbye, guys. It's great being in front of an audience.